Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. Now, Ring have introduced a new door video cam to add to their existing lineup, and I've only just seen it introduced today. It's actually been on the ready to, been ready to release for the last few months, but I've only noticed in the last couple of days that it's been introduced, and so it's going to be for those people, as I said, who have got an existing peephole. So it's going to be very easy to install. It's actually really quite easy to install. The only bit would be for some people who might find it difficult to unscrew the at the back of the door. But I believe there's some instrument that they will provide. So, sorry, let's just click through. So that's the doorbell itself. Really nice looking. It looks like the exact similar to the Ring Pro. So this is the camera. Sorry, this is the peephole. Sorry, this is the camera, and this is your button. So as you can see from this picture, this compartment here will hold the battery, and all the electronic gubbins are in here. Now, there must be, I would think, a connector underneath here that will connect to another connector inside for this to work. That's probably how it does work. That's the back end where the battery sits. That's the peephole. So let's just scroll down. Now this is quite good for, if you are someone who's a tenant and you don't want to do any drilling or having to have too many extensive work, you can get this, and as long as you've got the peephole, although you don't need the peephole, all you need to do is to drill if it's a wood door. But this is primarily for people who are renting a property, and as I said before, they don't want to do any work or damage, because they'll be liable for it to be restored when they leave. And so they can put this on very quickly, and also they can take it off very quickly. It's got HD video and two-way torque, adjustable motion detection, impact sensor. That's if someone knocks on the door rather than presses the button, it will still notify you. Removable battery pack, customable privacy settings, works with Alexa. So has all the same features of the Ring Pro, and so let's just, we'll see. So that's the little boy knocking on the door. That's the privacy setting type, so you can blank that out. So you've got a zone there. And then you can look through the peephole there as well. So that's pretty cool. Installs in minutes. So this bit here you unscrew or somehow, and then you can pull it out and take the whole barrel out. And then it's very simple, just push that in. Then here is the actual sort of nut that tightens it together, and that's it. Then you can pop in a battery, put the cover on, and away you go. So it is always advisable with these battery power device to get a second battery, so you've got one on charge at all times. So this is the spec. These are the measurements, and this is it, the color. So here, let's have a look at the features. 1080p, HD, live view. That's the video. Motion detection, single fixed zone with sensitivity adjustment, toggle motion detection on and off. Its field of view is horizontal 155 degrees to vertical 90 degrees. So that's pretty good. I think the Ring 1 and 2 are 120, so this is an improvement. Audio is two-way audio with noise cancellation. Right, power and connectivity. The power, rechargeable battery pack, can connect to standard AC doorbell system for continuous charging. I'm interested in that because when I actually asked this afternoon, and they said no, it's only battery. But these guys are the ones that are sitting on the desk. They don't really know everything. So, but here it seems you can actually connect it to standard AC doorbell system. So you can add power to it as well if you don't want to use the battery pack. So this is the minimum speed, 1 megabytes, but 2 is the best if possible. Here's the Wi-Fi connection. Only works still on 2.4 gigahertz. It should be working on 5 gigahertz as well. They should be using dual, but yeah, there you go. Installation, average install time there, talking about 10 minutes, probably a little bit longer actually. Working conditions, there's the temperatures, water resistance to IP5X, and this is the door thickness, 32 millimeters to 55 millimeters. So there's a good, fairly thickness you can fit, connect it to. And setup requirement, standard width door with peephole. Let's have a look at general. So this is what you get in the box. You get the cam itself, rechargeable battery pack, installation tools and hardware, spare cable connector, spare connector cable, user manual, and security sticker. So there's a 2-year on parts and theft protection. Right, what is it? Door View Cam is our latest video doorbell that lets you answer the door from anywhere. It sends real-time notification to your phone and tablet whenever anyone knocks on your door, triggers the built-in motion sensors, or presses the doorbell itself. Answer the notifications, and you can see, hear, and speak to that particular person at your door. And this is quite interesting, the main difference between the Door View Cam and other Ring doorbells is its placement. Unlike other video doorbells, Door View Cam is installed directly on your door by replacing its peephole. If I install the Door View Cam, will I lose access to my the peephole? No, because it has its own inbuilt peephole as well, so that you can view through it still. Do I need an existing peephole to install the door cam? Well, the whole purpose of it is if you're renting a property and you don't want to drill a hole in the door, because once you leave you have to fill it back up again or try and hide it somehow. There's no need for that. You can just use that hole that's there, and you don't have to worry about repairing it. Just put the barrel back in again when you leave, so you can take your video doorbell with you. How does it stay powered? This is quite interesting. Let's click on that. Door View Cam comes with a quick release rechargeable battery pack that lets you charge the battery without removing the device. To recharge Door View Cam, simply press the button on the battery pack to release it from the camera. Then plug it into a micro USB cord until fully charged. Slide battery back into place once it's charged, and you are ready to protect your home with Door View Cam. Can I install it on a combo flat? Yeah. Do I need permission from anybody to use it? This is quite interesting. So it's saying it's your responsibility to comply with local laws and community rules. Depending on where you live and the layout of your home, you will need to get permission from your neighbours, building owners, property managers, housing association. Now, the thing is, it's because of this secret, privacy and issue is really, really hot these days now. And, back when Ring first came out with this, nobody batted an eyelid. They were just impressed by the technology. People don't really complain about CCTV cameras outside, really. So, I mean, if you put up if you were to put it outside your door, which a lot of people do, they've got the CCTV camera and the Ring as well, to capture, further down the road and all this kind of business. But people don't seem to worry too much about it. But some people do worry about the Ring doorbell, and they start bitching about it, blah, blah, blah. So this is quite interesting. We encourage you to use the security stickers we provide in the box so your neighbours are aware that they're being recorded and then the premises are being surveyed. So there is a privacy setting. So you can create privacy zones to limit what gets recorded in your camera's field of view, which is so that if there was a problem, the neighbour really was getting agitated and the fact that you hadn't told them you were installing this, and they feel they're being spied on, you can just show, look, I've actually blanked to your door in your area, so it only records what's really very much at my front door, type of thing. Is it water resistant? Of course it is. Is the Door View Cam compatible with Alexa enabled devices? Yes, it is. And other, I think with the Echo and Fire TV devices, as well as Alexa enabled tablets. And we'll just go through the privacy zone because that's quite important, really. Privacy zones are a feature that help you protect your neighbour's privacy by excluding selected areas in the cam's field of view from live view and video recording. If you activate privacy zones, the areas areas they cover will be blacked out to help protect your neighbour's privacy. You can create up to just 2 distinct privacy zones. Does Door View Cam save my videos to be reviewed later? That's if you've got a plan. You get it for the recording, so you can record for free for 30 days, and then after that you have to pay, I think it's about £25 a year, UK that is. Can I share my videos with people? You need the plan for that, so you've got to have the plan. What's Ring plan? Is it going to be too much? There's way too much stuff there. But it's just, you've got 30 days, as I said before, and then after 30 days, it will not record anything until you pay the £25 a year for it then to be able to record all your recordings. Do you need the Ring Protect to use? No, you don't. So here is the existing lineup of the Ring doorbell range. With this is the most famous one that originally came out, Ring's original doorbell, which has become a multi-million-pound business, owned by Amazon, paid over $1 billion, nearly $2 billion, I think, for the business. So this is the first generation, the video doorbell. This is the second generation, the video doorbell 2. This is the door view cam, the newest one, newest addition to the Ring doorbell lineup. This is the Ring Video Doorbell Pro, the best in the business, the best looking doorbell, I believe, of all doorbells. I mean, there might be a better looking one out there, but this is, I really do like the design of the Pro, and they've utilized that in the new door view cam. And then you've got the Elite, which is £499 of hard-earned cash. Because it's, what is it, Cat 6 cable can be installed, so it can be connected directly to a router, so that it reduces the lag from the door to your phone. It'd be pretty quick. So let me just quickly look at just have a look at the accessories and see if we can see what this. So if I just click on there, so I'll just scroll down. Oh, this is new. Right, so so we've got spares for the floodlight cam, video doorbell 2, floodlight cam again. Oh, spotlight, sorry. And so they don't have the kit for the new one. Well, hopefully. So we can't see how it unscrews the door, but anyway. So, but anyway, this is the door view cam, Ring's newest and latest doorbell. Thanks for listening. If you've liked the video, please like and share so that other people can see this new product. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching, sorry.